feel so strongly that mantra is the answer to the turmoil and the disconnect between people's hearts and their external lives.
I made close to $170,000 in my first year. Over time, it became clear to me that money doesn't really buy happiness, doesn't really buy true love. I tried to bring a certain element of humanity in a place that was all about money.
Eco Valley Foundation is mainly dealing with environmental, economic, and social sustainability.
I felt like I wanted to come back and teach in the Gurukul because I had such a nice experience here. All my friends grew up here. We all grew up as one big family, one big community.
There's no satisfaction greater than being an instrument of God's grace to people in need on all levels. We're grateful to these children that they allow us the highest privilege of serving them and being blessed by doing so.
Composition of the community is worldwide, and we're all here for the same purpose, to develop our own spiritual lives.
You go on the playground here and you're going to see, a Russian kid, a Chinese kid, an Aussie, a Bengali. They have this unity.
We should be always having a divine party at every moment of our lives, everywhere we go.
We want to see everyone happy.